Hi guys, I was gifted this rolling kitchen cart from the seller so I could put it together and show you all its cool features. Go ahead and watch along as I put it together. I will speed up the footage so you don't have to sit with me for an hour. 3/6 so rotating lockable universal wheels. Equipped with 3/6 so rotating universal wheels. It enables free movement in the kitchen. The locking function ensures stable positioning without sliding, balancing flexibility and stability for food preparation, storage, and more scenarios. 3/6 so rotating tabletop for multi-angle convenience. The tabletop features a 3/6 so rotating design, allowing you to effortlessly access items from any angle, perfect for multi-person meal prep, social gatherings, or simply adjusting the workspace to your preferred orientation. Multifunctional detailed design, figured glass plus adjustable shelves plus thickened countertop. Features figured glass cabinet doors for an elegant look while subtly concealing items inside. Shelves are adjustable to fit kitchenware and ingredients of various sizes. The thickened countertop is sturdy and durable, resisting deformation during daily cutting and heavy item placement. All right, guys, I got it all put together. Was a step-by-step process. I like the adjustable shelves right here. You can adjust them to 3 levels. It does have a drawer here and very nice glass doors with the slow closing hinges like that. So that's pretty cool. I like those slow close hinges. They're on wheels, and so let me show you the back side. So back side doesn't have nothing, but this part right here, so you can put your stuff here. But this thing moves like this. So let me show you how that operates. All right, let me show you how this tabletop swivels. So you can swivel it like this, make it an L this shape, or you can keep going and make it an even longer table, or you can swivel it and make it an L that way. So this is a really cool table. It's very sturdy and easy to swivel around, and putting it together was not too bad. I just followed the instructions. So if you guys are wanting to get you a portable kitchen island like this, it would be great during the holidays because you'll have that additional counter space and you can just swing it around and get a lot more counter space. So if you guys are in the market for a kitchen island, this one's very portable and it rolls right around my house really easily. So if you don't need it, you can go store it someplace when you're not needing that extra countertop space. So if you guys are in the market for a portable kitchen island, go ahead and get this one. Thanks.